Good morning, students. Today I am here to discuss some more basic programs with you. So your first program is you have to input principal, rate and time, and then you have to find the simple interest. So first you will take the IO package. For that, import java.io package. This is your input output package which we are using for scanner class. So class interest we have taken. This is your class name. Main method, and in this main method we have declared the variable int p comma r comma t semicolon float. I have taken the interest in float because it can come in decimal form. Now I have inputted this principal, rate and time, this you know. Now interest is your p asterisk r asterisk t slash 100 formula. I hope you are aware of this formula. Now next is you will just print out this system.out.println interest plus I. I is the variable in which your interest is stored. Now import. Next program is you have to input the monthly salary of an employee and distribute 10% of it to wife, 7% to children, 15% to household, and you have to find the annual saving of an employee. Now see how we will do this program. Import java.io.asterisk semicolon class salary, public static void main string args. Now int sal, we have sal variable we have taken for salary, w how much employee will give to wife, children, c for children, h for household, as for annual saving, and e for expenses. Now we have inputted the salary with the help of scanner class. Now wife is taking 10% of the salary, so sal into asterisk 10 slash 100. Children are taking 7% of the employer's salary, so sal asterisk 7 slash 100, and household 15% of the salary is going in the household expenses. Now total expenses, your E is equal to W plus C plus H. Now annual saving is salary minus expenses into 12. Now system.out.println annual saving plus AS. AS variable is in which your annual saving has been recorded. Now next is your you have to input number of days and you have to convert it into year, and from the remaining days you will convert into month. Then from remaining days find the number of weeks and remaining days. So you have to do this program like this. Import java.io.asterisk semicolon class convert, public static void main string args. I have taken the variables d, rd for remaining days, d for days, y for year, w for week, and m for month. Now scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Days I have inputted, sc.nextInt. Now how we will calculate the year? We will divide the days with the number of days in a year. We will get the year by this. I will take the example for this. You can see the example. I have taken 1020 days. So what it will do? Year is equal to 1020 upon 365. Your year will come 2. After dividing you will get the quotient 2. Now next step is RD. Days is your 1020. So RD, how will it will calculate? 1020 module 365. Your answer will be here. Your RD will be 290. Now after this, month is equal to RD slash RD is your 290 slash 30. Here your quotient is 9. Month are 9 month. Now again, how you will calculate remaining days? RD module 30, RD is 290 module 30, it will come your 20 days. Now how we will calculate week? Week is remaining days upon 7. I am just writing over here. Week is equal to remaining days is your 20. 20 upon 7 is your 2. Your quotient is 2. And now for remaining days here is 20 module 7. Your answer is 6. So year it will print 2. I have print year. For month it will print your 9 month. Here it is 9 month. For remaining days it will print 6. And for week it will print 2. Thank you, students.